We're going to make them roast in the Instant Pot. Okay, we got our onions. Okay, we got a can of carrots, can of potatoes, can of potatoes, juice from another pot roast. I froze it after I cooked it, and it's been froze. Now we're going to put it in here and use it with this roast. Okay, now all we're going to do is add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and that's it. Okay, we're ready to put the Instant Pot lid on. Oh, wait a minute, I gotta put a cup of water in here where it ain't unthawed yet. Little bit of water. Okay, we're going to put it on for 1 hour and 5 minutes. Put it on sealing, not venting. We'll be back with you. Thanks for watching. We'll be back. That's what it looks like in the Instant Pot. Here's the roast. Here's the taters and carrots and onions. And here's the juice. Take the juice and make gravy with it. Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Thanks for watching. This is our roast.